Hi everyone, I'm recording this part 1. It's a simple carcass design for my CNC to use as a cabinet to store tools. I'm using two methods. The first one is just using a domino, and the second one is using a domiplate from Seneca Woodworking. As you can see in this video, I'm lining up the side and the top and putting some marks and setting up the festool domino for the 8mm bit. Once the bit is set up, I'll put the domino to use, and the first part is going to be using the domino to set the mortises into the sides, and again mortises on the top and bottom. Now moving to the second part, which is doing the sides. You see I'm using the domino on its side, which is not an ideal situation because you have to make sure you do a 90-degree to the board, and it's hard to maneuver the domino being heavy like that and make sure you get 90 degrees. So the solution to this is using a domiplate, and I will show how to use that in the second part. Next, I'll use the domiplate, and it is a great solution to this kind of problem. And the first part is to mark the side and the top by using these markers, and it's very easy. You just line up and make sure you're flush in the front and put marks on the side and the top. Once you have those, then the next step would be to use a domino to the next step would be to use the Seneca, and as you can see from this video, it is a lot easier to use than just the domino by itself. It gives you more leverage, and it stays 90 degrees to the interface. Again, this is doing the two sides back to back. Everything is marked, and the same procedure is done. I'm using 3 mortises on each side, and I'm using the middle value of the domino, which means it gives me a little bit bigger hole than the regular. Now you see in this picture how I line up the domiplate with the side, and the nice thing about this is you can use the fence of the domino and the top to line up very accurately. It gives you an exact 90 degree to the surface, and by doing that you don't have to worry about the weight of the domino being tippy and being more than 90 or less than 90 degrees. Again, I'm putting 3 holes in the top and 3 holes on the bottom on each side. And then I'll flip the part and do the other side. Again, it's very easy. You just line up the domino and the Seneca with the red marks that we did earlier, and it makes sure that the domino is 90 degrees to the surface, and the mortise will be 90 degrees to the surface. Next, we'll just do a quick dry assembly to make sure everything fits very well, and then we'll do the glue up in the next video. Thanks for watching.